Welcome to my YouTube channel, Quite Chapters. I am Atharv Deshmukh. This is my first YouTube video. Today we are going to do DBMS practicals. So let's look at our first practical here. It says a problem statement is a student management system. We have been told to create a database, StudentDB, in which we have to take 4 tables, one for department, student, course and enrollment. And we have to fill further information in it. So let's start doing it. First of all, we are supposed to open my client, MySQL command client. So first of all, let's create a database. StudentDB. Yes, so it's use the database student we will now be creating table. Create table. First table to create is department. So create table department. So department ID make it primary key, comma, enter. Department name, size of 100, not null, we will make it to be unique. Actually name, again for string, variable character, size of 100, not null. Enter, we close it. Okay, so the first department table is created. Now we will go for creating table for student. Create table student. First of all, we will have registration ID, right? Registration ID, it will be integer, and we will make this primary key as well. Primary key, comma, enter. Then roll number in variable characters, the size of 20. Make it the unique So the default gender, we will assign it to be as other. So now we will be making the department ID as foreign key. Department ID in integer. Let's make it foreign key. What does it reference? It references the table of department. Department table. The department ID. Close. Display. What's the error here? Okay, we'll just go for you first declare it and then go for foreign key. Department ID references department Start. So now let's create table for course. So create table course. This is the column for course name. Since it's string, it's variable character, size 100, set it to not null, where it will be assigned values. Credit integer, this will set credits for the sub course that has been selected. There will be credit, we will be setting it at greater than 0. It must be greater than 0. Now a table for enrollment. Create table enrollment. ID for the table, enrollment ID. Okay, so enrollment ID integer primary key, right, comma, enter. Now we will be taking the registration ID here, integer comma, also the department ID, let's look what we took for department ID. Okay, this is the same one. Department ID integer enter foreign key for the registration ID, and another foreign key for department ID, department ID references the department table. Here again, the department ID in that table.
Yes.
So we will use alter table operation on the student table. Add email column. We assign it character and give it 120 size, making it unique. Similarly, similar operation for course table. Modify course name. Now, for renaming the table enrollment to student enrollment, we will use alter table in alter table enrollment to student enrollment. Actually, a bit enrollment. Alter table enrollment to student enrollment. Well, the enrollment table spelling is the same, yet it was giving error. So yeah, we should be using rename table here. Rename table enrollment to student enrollment. Now it should work. Yes. The next thing is to rename the column CID as I guess to course number. Rename so let's alter table course. Here we want to change, so it's the change operation. The column CID course. Okay, so yeah, course number integer. Now we want to create index on department ID, right? So to create index on department ID is simple. We will say create index ID X department ID, like that, on student department ID. Now we have created index. Now let's insert some data into the tables. For that we will use insert into. So insert into, first of all, the first table was department table. So yes, let's insert into the department table values. So insert into department values, the values which we want to insert in it. So let's say first of all it is CE. Let's take it in capital CE for computer engineering. Let's give college name DYP. Yeah, in the years are supposed to give them. Let's take another value. Let's take another value as 2. Let's say the subject is IT. Again at the same college, or let's take a different college this time. NIT. Now insert into the second table, that was student table. Insert into student. Let's assign the sequence of values. How will they be assigned? So first of all, there will be the registration ID, then the roll number, after that name, mark name, name, department ID, and email. Now we'll save the same thing again. Values are as follow. Let's give us the ID, registration ID 101, CE 001, for Atharv. Session ID name after that. Okay, so yeah, like that. Let's take it at random. Deshmukh. Of course, the gender will be male. Assigning the department ID, and then in the end it will be the email. So let's say the email is @gmail.com. Now again the same for the second one. Now we'll be inserting values. Course. And the values as follow: 201, DBMS, Python online program 4, that would be it, comma 201 DBMS 4, enter. 202, comma, and the subject is OS 3, comma, enter. 203, the subject is CNS. And core number. 204, comma, course is microprocessor. Give me my assignment 3, share, enter. Okay, we forgot to give one. Maybe see here the error is we forgot to give one comma here. So yeah. Now we'll be inserting into student enrollment. Insert into student enrollment. Student enrollment values. So 301 first of all. 101, comma 1, 302, comma 102, comma 1. Now let's check all of the tables, all the data we have inserted into them. So select all from, first of all, let's check department table. Department. Now you can see here the department ID, department name, and the name of the HOD. Next is select all from. The second one is student. So here the registration ID, roll numbers, first, middle, and last name, the gender, department IDs, and email IDs. So select all from course. Now this is the courses, course numbers, course names, and the credits. Select all from student enrollment. Yeah, right, that's right. Okay, student enrollments. So here is the enrollment IDs, the registration IDs, and the department IDs.